Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today. And Pepe is down due to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has failed to maintain $60,000. We're moving down to 58K, and from there, it's getting a little bit weird now because moving below 57 can actually open up windows for moving down to even 50,000 or maybe even worse $44,000, and then rebound from 44,000 regions, which is totally unfair for many altcoins except Pepe. Pepe has moved along with Bitcoin. Bitcoin made new all-time high. We saw accumulation and we saw a pump with Pepe. So Pepe has been good. It has been pretty much the best performing coin at the moment. But other altcoins they never even had their time to shine. They never had their time to move up, and that's what's really bothering a lot of people. But anyways, bad news after bad news will keep coming in. I've actually learned the hard way to really navigate through all this BS, to be honest with you. When you just stay long enough, it's just normal for you to see things like this happening in a day-to-day routine. You just don't really care because you still have that little bit of a ray of hope that at some point these things are just going to bounce back. It's not much of a big deal, and they actually do bounce back when you really hold your cool long enough. So there's no any time limit to as how much are you going to be holding your cool, how much you're not going to be frustrated. There's no any time limit to that. You may want to buy a PlayStation. The market doesn't really care. You may want to pay your bills. The market does not care. I just like to go with the old saying, just don't sell in a loss. Pretty simple. Now, thing is, you're coming down again, and you can see that you're making it all the way down one more time, and now it's getting a little bit weird here because it's getting hard to understand if we still have some chances. Maybe if today you actually pull back with Pepe and come to 1042 and close like this, maybe then we can see a move to the upside, and this could be the retest, a successful retest as well. Do not forget that this is still a trend line, and this is the last chance to really make it back up. You have today and tomorrow's candle. So if today candle you come up and close above like this, that actually means you have already made your successful retest. If tomorrow you do actually bounce back up again, that also means you've made a successful retest. So retest is still something that is pending, but in my opinion, if you start to go and take 876, as I said before, that can actually be a problem. It's going to offer a problem. But maybe if you do go lower from here, then you have this price and maybe this low over here of 450 as your next big level of support. Let's just hope you're not taking out this stop loss here. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.